UPS just came, dropped off the L.L.Bean Streamlight Ultra 2 fly fishing outfit. It is 7'6" and a 4-weight rod. So I'm going to take this out and see what we got here. And this is, of course, made in China. I guess I better wipe this down when I get it open. There's the tube, L.L.Bean on it. Screws off. There you go, cork handle. L.L.Bean there. I don't know if you can see in there, there's a little pocket for each separate rod piece. See if I can get them all out. Another section. There you go. Everything seems to be intact. This one does have the little marks, so you know where to put everything in. Line it up. This one lined up. See if you see there. There's a line in your dot. Second piece, third piece on, excuse me. And there you go. Rods together. Now, I am not an extremely avid fly fisherman. I did fly fish a lot probably 20 years ago, and then I kind of got out of it. So this, I do have a rod which I use just for fishing on the river for smallmouth, using like a popper bug or something like that. So I'm going to get back into fishing some small streams. So this is what I had. I had a setup like this 20 years ago that I would fish the small streams with the 7'6" and the 4-weight. So that's why I got this. Now this was a combo, so I got to get the reel out yet and see what that looks like. Nice solid tube, plastic, the nylon cover on it. Tip this box up, see what else we have in here. Now this was from L.L.Bean. Trying to see if they have they don't have my total on here, but I believe it was, you can't quote me exactly, it was either $219 or $229 for the outfit. Okay, here's the reel. Getting it out. Comes with little instructions there. Little pouch. Got a little clear container there in the back. Velcro. And there is the reel. I mean, like I said, I'm no fly fishing aficionado, but it seemed like a well-made reel, comparable to what I had back in the day. I believe the reel I had back in the day was an Orvis, and it was on an L.L.Bean rod, which I had bought it from an avid fly fisherman, and I used it and I loved that rod. So now this comes with a floating forward weighted line, and I believe there is a tapered leader on this. I didn't pull it off yet. I can see there's the end of the leader, or tippet. I'm not sure if there's some tippet on there, the end of the leader, but we'll get that off. But seems very nice, smooth. Streamlight Ultra #1, Ultra 2 #1, excuse me. See if we can get it on the rod here. There you go. That's on the rod. The rod's is like an anodized green. Cork handle. And here is that's the first eyelet. And then of course the corresponding ones are the wire loop, like that. So there you go. I will have a video later on here sometime with using this, and I will be dry fly fishing. I'll kind of let you know how it does, how it works. So you get the rod and reel, you get the reel pouch, and you get the tube with it, and the reel, of course, you saw how it come out of the box, has the line and leader material on it, and there's the backing, of course, would come with it also on there. So we'll let you know how it goes. Thanks for watching, and get outside, throw a fly. See you guys.